Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Here at the Manufactured Housing Expert channel, we premiere new and pre-owned tiny homes, manufactured homes, and mobile homes on a weekly basis. Today, we are at Kingsway, which is a mobile home park in Verne, California. It is a beautiful community. All the spaces are very well maintained. They keep up on the park rules and regulations. That's always added value. I know some people get frustrated with the HOAs or with management, but they are here to help keep and maintain the value of your homes. These homes do appreciate in value. Right now, we are staring at a 1965 kit manufactured home. This home is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's been completely refurbished, remodeled. You're gonna love it. It's got beautiful countertops. The asking price on this home is under $110,000. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new tours. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. Let's go ahead and take a look at this 1960s mobile home that's been completely refurbished. This is a nice area over here. Nice patio area. You could fit a barbecue, table, chairs. One thing that I've noticed on this home is all the windows have been replaced. These windows are dual pane vinyl windows. That's going to save you a lot of money on your electric bill, especially on these older units that they're basically tin. Take a look at it. It's really nice. Leave all your questions and suggestions or comments in the comment box. We love hearing what you have to say about these homes. As you can see, this home and space is very well maintained. It also has a lot of storage. So you get that storage shed right there, but you're also going to see as we go inside right now, you are going to see how much storage and cabinet space there is in this 20 by 55 mobile home. Let's see here, it's getting exciting. You can always contact us at 866-720-2207 with any questions you have, or if you'd like to see what inventory we have. Let's get over here. As you can see, this home's been completely refurbished and remodeled. They put nice wood flooring in. Tell us what you think about the color. I love the gray with this blue-gray walls. This home is very spacious. I like how this area gives you a little bit of privacy from the kitchen. Now the good stuff's coming. Right here, I like this breakfast bar. You can fit 2-3 stools there if you have a family or if you have grandkids. This is a great place. Great home for them. These beautiful quartz countertops. Gooseneck faucet with sprayer. I really like this backsplash right here that they put, those tiles. So that adds a lot of character. Let me back up here so you can get a little bit of a better view of this home. Now we're going to head into the hallway and check out all these doors. Cabinet space, storage, 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 and more storage down there on the left. Here's the guest bedroom. This is a good sized bedroom. You could comfortably fit a queen bed in here, not a problem. Over here to the right is the second bathroom. Look how large this is. You have these overhead cabinets, a beautiful vanity with, look at that mirror, all that trim around the mirror looks very nice. You do have a tub shower combo. Now we're going to go into this master bedroom. This is a large, nice size master bedroom. It's a nice big closet, sink area. You have a little desk right there that you could do your makeup, and here's a walk-in shower. It is a little bit tight, but you'll have no problem fitting in there. So that wraps it up for this addition to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.